Purrl. Today we will be making a magnetic slime, and the things that you will need are half a cup of glue and half a cup of warm water, and you want to mix those. And then 1 cup of warm water and a teaspoon of borax, and you want to dissolve the borax into it. So we will be going through those ingredients throughout the video. So let me just get the mask on because I am allergic to borax. So yeah, see you in a bit. Okay, so I got my mask on, and right now we are just putting the half a cup of glue into half a cup of warm water, and we are mixing it.
Okay, now Zoe can stir that until it's all dissolved.
Okay, so then you want to stir it up until it is dissolved.
On the side,
Just let you know.
Get 1 cup of hot water.
So 1 cup of warm water next.
Okay, how does it look? Looks pretty good, eh? Alright, so there's one solution.
So you'll want to make it look like milk, but don't prank anybody with it.
Alright, and we're going to grab a teaspoon. Okay, and in 1 cup of warm water, we're going to put 1 teaspoon.
1 teaspoon of borax next.
Okay, Zoe, you can mix that up with one of the forks.
And right now I'm actually holding my mask on because I'm allergic to this part.
Use a bigger cup.
Then you want to pour your your glue and hot water into a bigger cup.
Okay, is that all dissolved, Zoe? Alright, now.
So you'll want to make it look like tap water.
And you're going to put a little bit at a time and mix. And you'll see that it's starting to get thick.
And also the magnetic slime part is optional. Like you could just make slime with it, but we're going to make magnetic slime.
Alright, here you go, Zoe. Mix that up some more.
So yeah, this is what we're using. Just like magnetic pieces of drill bits. And also, we were lucky enough to get this from my stepdad's mine. Yeah, you can just see how thick it is there, and you want it to look like that. And you'll want to get some gloves on for the next part. And make sure that you're using a spoon that you want to throw out.
Alright, now we're going to take it and we're going to drain the extra water out. But we're just left a big clump of slime.
So you can see the slime there.
And you're going to keep on eating until you get the texture you want. sticky. I think we need to add some more solution. It's not so sticky. Well, we can add more of the
And you want to keep on doing this until it's not that sticky.
I didn't count how many times, but it said 20 to 30 times. If you feel it, it feels like a rubber ball.
I bet that Purrl would like to play with it.
Okay. And we go over here. Mix
So we'll
in our magnetic
Fold
filings.
this one 20 to 30 times. And then this part is optional. You want to mix it in magnetic fillings. So remember that this part is optional and you don't have to do it if you don't want to.
A little bit more. Hear it farting? Move over.
And also, I recommend you use a cutting board for this part.
You don't need to.
So for this part, you'll want to push down and move it and push it forwards. So let's go and grab our magnets now.
True test.
Maybe the magnets on the fridge will work.
It's working. Oh, you should have left it there. Not as good as the magnet. Let's see. working for us. These are magnetic. See?
Maybe try putting more in it. And if it isn't working for you, just try and put more shavings in. And that might be your best option.
The magnet is sticking to it, but the slime isn't coming up.
We need even more in it.
I don't know.
So how many teaspoons of it did we put in it already?
We've used about a cup.
So we've used about a cup of the iron shavings. I think they are. They might be steel.
It's working a little bit more better now. I can see it's moving faster. It's actually like it's actually like moving the slime over there.
It needs to be slimier.
And sorry if you could see the glare on it. That's just from the window over there. And if it isn't working after like a cup and a half, just put some more water in it.
Maybe our magnets aren't strong enough. Hey, well maybe we'll keep it, we'll put it in a baggie, and we'll try and get a stronger magnet.
I have a really strong magnet in my room.
I know. Watch the video and go see.
Okay, so the magnets we have are so strong that they're pretty hard to take apart.
Oh, these should work. If they don't, then you don't know. What can be stronger, so...
Can you hold it so that you can hold it in my hand?
What?
Take it to my face. Okay, so this is how I had to, like, this is how I had to do it because of my allergies. Anyways, yeah, they're pretty hard.
It's swallowing up the magnet. Isn't that cool?
Okay, it's just swallowing up my magnet right now.
Where's your magnet?
Poor magnet.
It's gone. It's like in it.
So my magnet is right there. Poor magnet. I'm not really sure how strong these magnets are, but I'm sure that they're pretty strong because they can like stick together from my palm to the back of my hand. Did you get it out yet?
I'm scared to because I want to get the little things on my.
It's fine. So if you're using a magnet, be sure that you can actually get the magnet out.
I got them in.
Okay, good. Now,
Where are both of them?
this is the other one. Zoe has her.
Try the other one just holding it on top and see if
I can't do it though. Hang on, Zoe.
Oh
Oh, it sucks the magnet right down. That's cool. Okay, so we'll have to go tomorrow and buy some bigger, stronger magnets.
no! Yeah, these are strong. Just they're not big.
Phallic.
Totally stuff.
It should look like that once the magnet gets completely buried in it.
Which it is.
Yeah, so you have to tell people, stay tuned for tomorrow when we have bigger magnets.
You want to say it?
I already did. Okay, watch it. Turn that off now.
Okay, so that is about the end of this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And I know that I'm allergic to quite a few things. So I'll leave everything that I'm allergic to in the description, just so that you guys aren't too curious.
Bring the slime and put it on here.
Anyways, that is about the end of this video. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. And you will see me later. Goodbye. Still didn't get my magnets? Help! That's going to take a few minutes.